In this lesson, we will understand the types of AI agents. So let us start. So we can easily categorize AI agents based on their complexity and capabilities. Okay, here are some of the AI agents: simple reflex agents, model-based reflex agents, goal-based agents, and utility-based agents. Now let us understand the AI agents one by one, beginning with the simple reflex agents. As the name suggests, it is based on predefined rules and current conditions. For example, you have a thermostat that turns on heating when the temperature drops. The second one is model-based reflex agents. It maintains an internal model of the world to handle partially observable environments. For example, a vacuum, a robot-based vacuum that will remember which areas to be cleaned and avoid the obstacles while cleaning. The third one is goal-based agents. As the name suggests, it is based on a goal, that is to achieve a specific goal. These agents considers different actions and plans sequences to fulfill that specific goal. For example, you have a navigation system that will help you in finding the fastest route to a destination, avoiding any traffic jam or obstacles. Next, we have utility based agents. Here utility can mean reward. These agents chooses the action that maximizes the utility or reward, optimizing for the best outcome. For example, you have a navigation system that will recommend you a route balancing time with the fuel cost and the tolls. We saw what are the different types of AI agents. We covered 4 types of AI agents based on their functioning.